If you're creating an Instagram reel and you're wondering how in heaven's name do other people have text in their reel that changes as the video goes on, yet somehow you can seem to figure that out, then this video is for you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add text to your Instagram reels, but also how you can change the text duration so that you can create these beautiful looking reels where the right text shows up at the right time. Let's get to it.